What up, YouTube? This is your girl D Sport S Tabron, back at it again. So I'm coming to you today with an unboxing, a different kind of unboxing, and this video is sponsored by Dan's Original Jewelry. But before I get into it, I want to say thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me thumbs up. I hope that you're sharing my videos. I'm just going to give you a little bit of information on Dan Original Jewelry that I found out, and then we will go into what he sent me. I have looked at them. They are nice. Okay, so just to give you a little background on Dan's Jewelry, he has a website that you can go on and purchase some of his jewelry that he do handcrafted. Earrings, necklaces. He's been in business for over 39 years. I will leave his link down below, his website. Like I said, he has plans as low as $8 a month. He creates nice jewelry. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and show you some of his pieces. And he packaged it up real nice when he sent it to me. Okay, so hopefully you can see he sent the first two pair in this little sack here. I'm hoping my lighting is very good. I'm trying to mess with my settings on this camera. So I'm just going to hold them up to the camera so that you can see them. I'm hoping you can see that. It has like a little crystal ball there with a blue there. And then you just hook it in your ear, which is real nice. I'm hoping you guys can see this. Okay. And then the next pair, did I drop one? Yeah. Okay. The next pair is real pretty too. It's like two pearls and something in the middle of it. Let's see if I can. In the piece in the middle, it has gemstones of like red, blue, and green. And it's also the hook kind. He didn't send me any necklaces, but I did see some off his website that was absolutely gorgeous. He sent me two more pair. Here is a pair here. It's like two little pearls. So it's a pearl at the top and then a little green symbol at the end, and then a little pearl right there. Okay, and then the last pair that he sent me, I keep dropping them, is this pair right here. It's like a purplish with black kind of bead. It's like purple, pink, and black. And then you have a pearl on top of that and a pearl at the bottom. So I will try on a pair to give you an idea of what it might look like. I'm hoping you can see that. Let's see. So that was one of the pair. The other pair is this is real pretty. Okay. The next pair that goes good with what I got on, which is my Kansas City shirt. Okay. And then the last pair would look like this. I'm hoping y'all can see that. Okay. So since I have that one on, I guess I'll put the other one on, and then I can close out the video. Okay. So I have both pair on. Cute. So I want to say thank you to Dan for sending me your items. They are gorgeous. I enjoy doing a video on your items. So to all my subscribers, I will leave his link in my description on this video where you can go and check out his channel. I checked out his website and he had things from gifts to women to men to food and beverages to kids, self-care, wellness, beauty. I mean, his website has it all. So I say, go check out his website. Maybe even go subscribe to one of his subscriptions and check out his pieces. So you guys know what I'm about to say. Remember to give me those thumbs up. Share my video. That lets me know that you're watching and that you're enjoying. Leave me a comment down below and I will get back with you. So, until the next time, you know,